So I'm watering, right? And it just spilled over. This plant is getting too big for, first of all, it's getting too big for the pot. Next, it's getting too big for, or too tall for the moss pole. So I was not planning to do anything with it today, but apparently I have to. So first things first is Begonia right here. Look at that, making more babies. I don't want to propagate this one because I tried to and it just died on me. Look how big this leaf is. Like, that's a huge leaf. So I'm going to reconfigure this living room. I don't know where I'm going to put her. I think I'm gonna move this area right here over there if I can, and have her just grow up like that. I can't put her here because this one is gonna get taller and I want that plant there. Plus, I don't want Begonia to be underneath this register because it's just too much. It gets too dry. So this is it. The hardest repot of my life. So wish me luck. I made a pole for it. A moss pole. I gotta go get it. Okay. Ta-da! Moss pole. We'll see. This is gonna be a challenge for me. This moss pole stinks so much. This is gonna be patch, water patch. Moss pole for now. We're gonna have to go that way. Actually, in the back there. To help it stand up. I think to help it stand up. I might have to brace it up against this. Oh gosh. It's braced up like this. Okay? This is gonna be challenging. Oh my gosh. I don't even know. It was kind of hard to loosen up the whole plant out of the old planter because I inadvertently watered it before I thought about replanting it in a bigger pot. So now it was harder to pull it off, and the more I struggled with it, the more I failed to notice that the top branches were just flailing around in the wind, and it snapped one of the branches, and I was just devastated because I did not plan, and here's the snapped one. But good thing is that they bounce back after they are propagated in water. So we'll see what happens in the future of this snapped branch. Okay, I got it out. Got this out. I got her out. Shoot, man. Crazy. Don't ever let it get this big. Ever. But it needed it, so what can I do? slowly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh, yes. Thank you. Ah, I feel bad for that one. Now I have to tie this up first and then remove. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, you're gonna have to fall down for now. Fall down for now, because I cannot do anything about it. Oh shoot. No, don't fall down. Okay. Do this. There we go. Don't move! She's gonna be better off anyway. How's it doing? It's going great. At least it has this much at the top to work with. This much. Whew, that was something, man. That was something. Okay, there she is. Finally got her done. And I think she's happier now. She has like a little floppy leaf, but I think she's happier now. You know, this has to go tie up there, but hey, I got the rocks. I got this Dieffenbachia right here. I know, this is hard labor. This is so hard. Thank you for watching my most challenging repot, guys. And hope you come back soon. Make sure you don't forget to click the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.